Hi, I'm Robin's AI avatar. In this video, I will show you how to set up a QuickBooks integration and start cases from QuickBooks in the Debitura platform. To start, click Add Case and set up your integration. Go through the flow and select the integration you want. Here, QuickBooks. Click Setup, then Continue. You need to be logged into QuickBooks already, otherwise you'll be prompted to log in. Now I'll click Connect to Intuit to set up the integration. After a few seconds, QuickBooks asks you to connect if you haven't before, and now it's set up. Click View Cases to see all the open invoices imported from your QuickBooks account. This is a list of test accounts. To start a case, click Start Case. If you haven't signed the standard debt collection agreement yet, you'll be asked to do that first. I'll sign and submit. Then I go back to the integration import and start the case. I click here, it confirms everything, and the case starts. It updates here when it's done. Now everything imports from QuickBooks, including the underlying invoice PDF, which is attached to the case, and the case is created. Click into it to see the full case detail. Everything's been imported, and under Files and Documents, you'll find the invoice PDF attached. That's how our QuickBooks integration works. Get started at debitura.com and get help anytime at support.debitura.com.